Now, a video prototype is actually going to be what we're doing at the end of the semester. And it's to persuade. It's kind of like the storyboard. You say, look, this is a need, and we've addressed it, and we're going to address it. And either you're potentially, it's to sell to someone, or maybe you want an investor to give you a lot of money so you can implement it, and they'll pay for you to implement it. So it's more like, kind of like imagine the storyboard, but you have real people, and they're telling you why this is so good and why, for example, like the doctor's visit. I'm so bored in this, but it's the same as what we saw with the storyboard, but it's now with people in it, and they're using and the video prototype will have a prototype in it. And it's potentially, it could be paper prototype that you're using, or it could be, in our case, we can use our prototypes that we've developed, and you're going to but the point is to show the story, the need, and then this satisfaction at the end that, look, now we're so happy, and this is why you should be invested in our design. So we're showing what we imagine it will be like. We have this interface now, and the interface can be paper prototype, and you'll see videos and the examples that are. In our case, it's going to be that digital mock-up, like you'll use NinjaMock or Pop Up, and that's what you're going to be using in the videos themselves. It could be real code. It could be invisible, the fake tablet, showing what a user is accomplishing. And think about, you know the way we're going to do it is going to be with the digital software, but you'll see lots of examples of video prototypes, just so that you could get a sense of what a video prototype is. Now, the benefits: they're cheap, they're fast to make, and it's a good communication tool, and it will explain your ideas. It shows now how the interface is going to be tied to our tasks, and we can sell our ideas. Just like the storyboard makes it real, these videos will make it real and make people interested and happy and want to maybe invest in your idea or buy your product. So they show the entire task. We have our motivation, our success. We want to introduce a task. Like I've said a few times, the storyboards are really great basis for this. You don't need a fancy camera. You're not expected to have a fancy camera. You don't need much time. The phone is fine. Edit as little as possible, because I know that's time consuming. You can do it in one take. Pause for when you want to edit. So don't go crazy, but you could do a good job, of course, when you're creating your video prototype. But I know this course isn't going to be teaching you how to be a professional um, photographer. I'm not planning on you going into videos, but so it doesn't. But it should carry your purpose and make it good and make me want to say that is a good product. I should give you money, which I don't have, but I should give you all my money, so now you can go and implement it. So so just think about it like you're selling it. You're selling it. You want it to be good. I want you to watch these examples. These voting app example and the Parking Buddy are actual projects from students that they've done in this class. So I have two of them that I want you to see as examples, so you can get a sense of what of how I'm expecting your prototypes to be.